Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to update and install drivers on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So first, go into the browser and type in HP drivers and open the first link. Now let me just change the language for you. Okay, select your product and type in your laptop. So HP ELITEBOOK 855. Select it. Now select your operating system and submit. Now find the driver that you want to download and click download and open. Now it should install and click install now. Yes. Next, accept the agreement. Next, here select the folder that you want the driver to install on. So I'll just stick with the default one. Next. Now it's extracting. It takes just a couple of seconds and click finish. Now wait for it to install, so I'll be back with you shortly. And now it is all ready and we can close all the tabs. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.